First I diced up some beef. I added some ground chili. Carolina Reaper is my favorite as I like it hot. Not too much as it may become too spicy. Then I added some salt and crushed garlic and gave it a stir. Then I diced up some celery and added that to the slow cooker. I cut up some cauliflower and added that to the pot. Then I cut up some broccoli and added that to the pot. I had some carrots in the fridge, so decided to cut some up and add that to the pot. You can use any vegetables you like depending on your taste. Nice juicy tomatoes are always a good addition to any soup. I added a sprinkle of thyme leaves. A squirt of ketchup is always good to thicken things up a little. Almost forgot the potatoes. I don't bother peeling them as I reckon the skin adds to the flavor. As you can see, I like dicing everything up into bite-sized pieces. Keep in mind that everything shrinks a little during the cooking process. You can add some soy sauce for a bit of a tang. Chuck the kettle on and boil some water. Add some stock. You can use beef or whatever you have lying around. I added 3 cubes of chicken stock. I poured the boiling water over the chicken stock to melt it. Oops, almost forgot the onion. Probably could have used a little more, but that is all I had in the fridge. Time to close the lid, turn it to low and go to bed. It should be ready by the time I wake up. Smells delicious.